Morning. Welcome back to Paraholic. I'm your host Gabriel. Noah, Noah, Noah，别闹了，过来，Noah，你来 first。嘿嘿，过来了吧？哎，你来。罗菲，哎，好了，快，Finally，哎，不听话，你就闹啊。Okay, let's go. Noah, 你来，罗菲。The time, yeah. 25 minutes. Let's go. Okay, we're here. Let's get started. Looks good, but it's gonna be a sunny morning. 天气还不错啊，但估计会比较晒一会儿。收拾一下，准备开始。Blue, OK。噗。努菲不要啊。OK, everyone's out. 啊，哎呀，还是手机吗？哦。Let's take a look who's here. Noah, 你来。Luffy, this is my tones bird. More small birds. Suncorner, Eclectus. Oh, more Suncorner, GCC, Eclectus. Which one is the biting one?
This one.
This one is the biting one.
Some,
Not that hard, right?
Yeah.
But they bite. JF bird. Oh, they are so afraid of camera.
I have no pole.
Gonna fly. Fly. Let's go fly. A lot of birds, huh?
Fly.
No. It's only 7:37 in the morning. It's already getting too hot to me. I cannot take it. We're about to go. So follow, subscribe, share, comment, thumbs up, whatever you can do because this is for free. So see you next time. This is Paraholic.